Good morning. My name is Andria Ahmed, member of Group المحور. We are so glad to present to you our first project in the college. I wanted to share a story with you. Years ago, the idea of محور came to facilitate traffic of the Cairo and link Cairo districts with October. It was a great idea. This project done by our genius engineers. So we thought, why not we took the same name of this great project? Why not to make another محور, but in this project? So this is why we choose the name Team المحور. And this some shots to us during construction of our project. First picture, it was in first stages of our project that we meet together and thought about design and another things. This piece, while we finish the bridge in final stages, and another one meeting together. We are so happy to present this project to you and very glad to construct this bridge. Thanks.
Hi, I am Omar and I'm going to present to you how the bridge design was chosen and the construction sequence. First, we knew that to choose a design for a bridge, we have to search for something not too complex but also strong. So we searched a lot of photos and videos for a suitable design for our bridge and came out roughly with the design from a simple YouTube video of someone building a small bridge, but we liked its simplicity and strength. But we chose to change some parts of the bridge to make it stronger and suitable for upscaling. Also, we saw the pedestrian bridge near hypermarket using the same design we saw in the video, so we liked it more and more, and it made us more confident in our design. The design we chose was the ends design to keep it as simple as possible. We also thought of making a curve in the top chord, but every video and photo we saw, it had some altered sticks on the vertical or the inclined member. We could have just left the sticks without cutting, but it wasn't gonna look that beautiful, so we excluded this idea. Then comes the construction part. The first thing we did was testing the glues we've brought to see which one is stronger. Then we started to build the bridge's bottom chord first, because it's the part that is going to carry most of the weight, so we had to give it the most attention. Then we started to build the vertical and the inclined members. Then we made the top chord and the bracing. Then we made several layers of these parts to make it much stronger. At the same time we were building the deck separately. First we thought of laying the sticks on its edge along the bridge, but we calculated the number of sticks needed for that design, and it was so many sticks and it was going to make the bridge so heavy, so we excluded this idea. At the end we decided to lay the sticks flat across the bridge and supported them by another layer underneath. We installed the deck by thickening the bottom chord and then gluing the deck on top on the second part. Then we made the supports using two layers in a sequence. First the sticks flat, first laying the sticks flat, then the other had them on their edge to make the supports as light and strong as possible. Then we laid the bridge on top, glued it firmly, and it was finally all done. And that was my part. Thank you for listening.
Hello, I am Abdelrahman Refaat Abdelazim. I will talking about how is load transferred to supporters. Let me tell you. Before choose this design, firstly we know that how the load will transfer in this design respected to the location of load and its effect in the vertical members in the ends design will transfer the load from the bottom chord to the top, and the inclined member will spread the load along the bridge. So we made the inclined members in a way that it rests on the following vertical members. So we will notice that the glow doesn't take all the load. And let me tell you something about the deck of bridge. The deck rests on the bottom cord by several layers. So when it's loaded, it transfers this load to bottom cord and the top one. The bracings on the top also hold the bridge, so it doesn't fall on itself, and make it suitable and help transfer the load equally along the bridge. Eventually, all these loads transferred along the bridge and will reach the end posts and from that to the supports. Let's move on to the difficult things. As we failed to win the choosing the design by trying lots of them and excluding a lot, and finally agreeing on one of them, and then comes the construction stage. While if we wanted to choose the most difficult part, we will choose the part of building the cornice and making several layers of it. And the report and the presentation part was also challenging, since it's the first time for most of us writing it, but it wasn't as challenging as the construction part. Really, the challenging is learning us a lot.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohamed, and I'm going to introduce you the lessons I have learned from this project. In this project, we have learned how to make a deep research about different videos and different photos to find the reliable results that we wanted to use. Also, we have learned how to test the material. We have got to be able to choose the most efficient. But the most important thing we all agreed on is learning how to work in a team, from choosing trusted leaders to distributing the tasks and judging each other's task at the end. It was such an enjoyable experience and we all have fun. We have said it before that we learned a lot from this project, but one other thing we learned is that engineering is not an easy job. It can get very challenging a lot of times, as it did in this project, but we all partially knew that from the beginning that we will face something like that. So we worked hard together to produce this project, and we hope we all do our best. And thank you.
Hello, my name is Mohamed TarekNoaman. Conclusion: I have participated in the project design and implementation, mainly in the implementation. The main idea was design a bridge which can bear 100 kilograms, but at this time our bridge filled out only 45 kilograms. Then it was broken. Then we know our mistake, that we didn't support the base enough. Finally, I'd like to thank my doctors for this amazing chance, and also my team, because this project actually brought us all together and made us know each other better. It has learned us the true meaning of teamwork. Thanks for listening.